Good morning, everyone, and happy Easter Sunday to you all. I hope you're all having a lovely time with your families and friends and whoever you're celebrating it with. Whether it's your furry family, just have a lovely day today. So, today I wanted to share, I'm still on the bow theme. And while I was looking for my felt yesterday, which I still haven't found, I found some leather. So, this is quite thinnish leather, and I thought, I wonder if my dyes will cut it out. So I used the dyes that I used yesterday for the other ones that I had been cutting out, and it actually worked. It cut through, but I was left with wee fuzzy bits, if you can see. So I had to trim round the outside edges of the leather just to get rid of the fuzz. So it worked out okay, and I'm like, that's quite cute. And it's always been in the back of my mind to set up I've got an Etsy shop, but to have little cat and dog collars, but leather ones, and making them really nice. So I might go down that route and see how it goes. So let's assemble this. So it's the same as the videos yesterday. I'm just using hot glue for this in the meantime, but I could stitch this with my sewing machine because I've got a heavy duty sewing machine. So I'll have to practice at that next week. So we'll watch this space for how I managed to get on with stitching and sewing next week. Now, I just want to line that up a little bit and then pull it back and then put a little bit of glue in. Not too much that it squidges everywhere. And then put this one in to meet it in the middle. There we go. That's okay. There's a little bit of glue there. I'm just going to pinch that off with my finger. And that came out okay. It's such soft leather, this as well. It's beautiful. And then I'll put another little bit on here. And then add this. Add this on. And to make sure that I've got it level. And then just take the squidgy bits out. There we go. How cute is that? And I don't have any kicking around, but you could put a nice little button in the middle of that, or a metal embellishment like a brad or something like that through it, just to keep it all together. And then just pick off your wee glue strands. I did buy a leather glue. I think it was Alien's leather glue. So that's it. That's my little leather my little leather bow. And what I'll do is, once I finish it off and find what I'm going to put in the middle, I'll put the photograph as the thumbnail. But it's really pretty. Okay then, I'm going to head off, and I just thought I would share that with you. I was excited that my little dies actually cut through the leather. So I shall see you all soon with more videos. And thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye for now.